Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for September 10, 2020. If you look at the chart of SPY daily chart, so right now the market is going nowhere. They are still in the correction mode. Yesterday they push it back up, today they slam it down, but they still stay above the 50-day moving average. So technically they will try to find the 50-day moving, they try to hold them up. Let's see if they're able to do that, or they will continue to back down and continue to go further. So during the day, the market push it back up, they hit right into resistance, and then they slam it down again. So if you look at the other index, like YM, they also come down right at the 50-day moving average. They hold back here. Let's see the 50-day can hold them up. And the NQ, it's the same thing. They sit right here, they go nowhere. They're still in the correction cycle right now. Then Russell 2000, they couldn't go higher. They pull back down, back to the buy zone, and then they bow back from there. And gold, they try to push it back up right into the sell zone. They pull back down, and then they hold it up here. And let's see tomorrow they be able to pump it up or not. Oil, it also sideways correction. They have a support here, so they have a strong support here. So let's see if they can rebound and retest the upper downtrend line there. Bond, after they hit to the sell zone, they slam it down. But today the market come down, so the bond try to push it back up. So let's see if tomorrow they push it back up, the market will out further. But if they slam them down again, the market will have a chance to rebound. And the euro is also hit to the sell zone, and then they slam it down. So right now they stabilize at this level here, and they try to find a way to get back above the downtrend line here. And the Bitcoin is still going sideways, and right now they are still in uptrend, but they try to hold up very well at the upper support trend line here. So tomorrow, if they be able to push it back up to retest the sales on there, okay. And if you are a day trader, you see the two-day market, they go nowhere. They come down overnight, they shoot back up, and then they shoot it back up right into the sales zone. People slam them down again. So when the market open here, they're very choppy on the upside, okay. And when the first 1 hour they go nowhere, after 7:30, I try to jump in, take one quick trade to push it back up. Put the stop loss below here to come back, took the stop loss, and I lost $488 for today. It's okay. So if the market it doesn't know where to go, and we just take a loss and then do it tomorrow again. So after that, the market they drop below the moving average, and then they bow back up, and then they just ribbon down during the lunchtime until the end of the day. So after hour, the market they try to put back up. Let's see how far they can retrade back, and then to see tomorrow they will slam it down again before they can start rebound back up. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So a lot of stock is still in the correction right now, so you have to be a little bit more careful on your position side if you are a day trader. And if you are swing trade, then make sure when the market stabilize before we can put more money back into the direction of the market where they're heading to. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so every time we have a new video, we will let you know, so that you can update the market condition. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method of day trading to make some extra daily income as well as swing trading, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We see you on the weekly market forecast.